Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for SafePal account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open the SafePal application from your app drawer. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on this I've read and accepted the terms of use circle at the bottom and tap Get Started. Create a security password that will be used to unlock your wallet, approve transaction and access mnemonic phrases. Make sure you enter the password that you can easily remember. Now confirm your security password one more time on the next page, and if you want, you can set up a Face ID. After you are done, or you can also skip the step by tapping skip at the top right, and you have successfully created a wallet. Now tap on the start button at the bottom. Now you can add a wallet to start your crypto journey. Go ahead and create or import a software wallet or pair with your hardware wallet. Select the type of wallet you want to create from hardware or software. If you are creating a hardware wallet, you'll need to connect your SafePal hardware wallet to your computer. If you're using the software wallet, you can go ahead and import your mnemonic phrases. Now once you are logged into your wallet, you will need to back up your mnemonic phrase. Simply go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top left and then tap on security. Now choose whether you'd like to create a software wallet or a hardware wallet. If you choose hardware wallet, then you'll need to connect your SafePal hardware wallet to your computer. If you are choosing the software wallet option, you can here create a new wallet. Simply tap on create a new wallet and then enter your security password. Now enter the name for your wallet on the next page and tap continue. Once you've created your wallet, you can now back up your wallet recovery phrases. You can either choose to back it up on iCloud or back it up manually. To back it up manually, tap on backup manually and make sure to save these mnemonic phrases in the correct order. Make sure to write it down in a piece of paper or make sure to store it somewhere safe. After you are done backing it up, tap next and then verify your backup by choosing the words in the correct order from the display. Once you have selected the words in the correct order, tap on verify at the bottom and you can now start using your wallet. As you can see that you've successfully created a wallet and you are now in the main wallet page, and that is how you should be able to sign up for SafePal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.